off for me.
I didn't even do nothing.
Go and take your seatbelt off. Stop! Stop! I'm good! I'm good! No, just driving there! Someone's getting away! I don't know about it!
Officer Houston, this is line and still at a traffic stop. Officer Houston.
33 the man stop, right to your right. One south ahead. Lift up the car.
We're the corner of Rice and Valencia.
Good.
Right and where?
Valencia.
I thought he was going to run me over.
You okay?
I'm good.
Holy shit.
Right and
33, started medic this way. We got gunshot wound to the head.
What did he pull on you? Rice and Valencia.
Alright, we got medical rolling. Who was injured?
33, I'm not injured. I almost got ran over by the car. He took off on me. I discharged one round. Struck the nail in the head.
We're going to need an admin page. We're going to need a medic. We're going to need multiple officers here.
Oh, those.
Copy,
I
I've got
thought I
this.
was going to run over.
Copy, 35.
I'm running around.
He pulled.
He didn't reach for anything. Stand back! Stand back! I just got tangled in the car. I thought I was going to run over.
It's going to be a few minutes late.
Oh.
Keep your. Don't let him look.
Stay back!
Copy, just trying to get it in.
He just took off on me, man. I thought he was going to run me over. Somebody buy a fire before?
Okay. Hey, Sam Powell, you want to go block off that way?
Do we have anyone down there?
No, you take that.
I think I'm okay. He's just dragging me.
Yeah, I saw
I thought I was going to get run over. I was trying to stop him.
Tell him to get over here.
Go back inside, sir. Go back inside. Oh, he's dragging me, man.
Yeah. You good?
I'm good. I just got my hand and my arm caught inside.
I saw that. Trying, because the guy reached for something he thought, and so he grabbed onto the car.
I shot one round at him. He took off on me. I got my hand caught in the car.
Well, our officer went down. He got tangled in the car and drew his gun and fired. The guy just...
I almost got ran over by him.
This is where he actually fired from right here.
Oh, you guys are down here?
Yeah, I was right behind him. He fired from right here, and the guy took off. So
you were trying to make a traffic stop on him, or?
Yeah, and the guy,
I think I'm
You got a video?
he probably does. I just arrived to back him up when the guy took off. The officer was stuck in the vehicle. Fired one round.
Your guy?
The one bars.
All right.
You can talk about anything you want except for what happened during the incident. The only thing I ask of you is, where did it start?
I initiated the traffic stop at Vine and Phil.
Okay, Vine and Phil? Going southbound.
South on Vine. He turned left on Phil. That's where I let him up at.
Okay, where did he stop?
He did not take off, but he was slow to stop. He pulled right up here, about halfway down this hill right here.
Okay, so for my purposes, for the investigation part of it, I need to know where it started, which is going to be right. It's at this down there on this side of the tape. Is that correct?
Yes, just south of the intersection of Phil and right.
And it looks like you got dragged. If I'm looking.
Yeah.
Okay. And it ended up here.
I'm
So
sorry.
this is our crime scene right here.
Correct.
All right, bye. They've got him coming in. He said don't say anything, obviously, until somebody gets here.
We're going to be going
CIS, I imagine.